How to fix text messages not sending on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the messages sending failed problem on your Android device. Whether you're having issues with SMS, MMS or instant messaging apps, this step should help. So let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your phone has a stable network signal. If you are using Wi-Fi, for messaging application, you ensure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If it is not, you can easily switch to mobile data as well. Also, you can toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network. You need to wait for a while by tapping on airplane mode and turn it off back on. And after you turn it back off, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to double check the recipient's phone number to ensure it's entered correctly. If it is wrong, then the message might not be sent. The other step you can follow is simply clear the app cache. Suppose if you are having problem with your WhatsApp, then you can tap and hold WhatsApp, select the eye icon, and now tap on storage uses, select clear cache. Come back. If it is for the SMS, you can tap and hold the message icon and then select the app or the eye icon and select storage uses. Now tap clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, if you are sending SMS, make sure you have enough credit or balance in your account. So let's check it out. So as you can see that the current balance is rupees 0 and we have taken loan as well. This might be the reason why my message has not been sent. But if it is not the reason, then you need to make sure to update your messaging application from Google Play Store. So let's open Google Play Store and search for the messaging app like WhatsApp. If there is any updates, you simply need to update it to the latest version. Outdated application will create these kinds of glitches, so select update and update your application. If none of these steps work, you need to reach out to your mobile carrier or the support team for the messaging app you are using. So that's it. By following this step, you should be able to fix the messages sending failed issue on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.